are watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen. Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything real me. You are watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen. Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen. Beauty.
Hey y'all, so as I promised you guys, I was gonna give you guys an update on my curly hair that everybody has been asking about, going crazy about. I just got to the hair store, so funny enough, should I like give all the tea right now, or let's go get it and then we'll talk about it? Yeah, let's go get it, then we'll talk about it. So we got to head in here. Ooh, the body's giving out. I lost so much weight, it don't even make no sense. It is a freaking half wig, y'all. So this is the wig, this is the hair, and look at the price, $39.99. Penny quick weave by Outre. So I mean, that's what it looks like on the mannequin, but it's a half wig. I got it in the number 2. They have a bunch of different colors though, but I usually get, ooh, Jesus. Alright y'all, so I'm like in such a rush right now. So this is pretty much the hair, as you guys can see. I paid $39.99 for this at the local beauty supply store, but you definitely can find this online as well. Also, I'm probably going to be talking really fast. I'm in a rush right now. I have a flight that's in 2 hours. What time is it? It's 5 o'clock. My flight's at 8:30. So I'm trying to make this really snappy. Basically, it's just a half wig. Let me just take it out and show you guys what it is. Yeah, when I tell y'all I'm in a rush, I'm in a rush. I don't know why I chose so last minute to do this, but yeah, it is what it is. In this, I usually get like a number 2 or a number 4, because the back of my hair itself is like really brown, and then the front, I actually dyed the front last night, but I only dyed like the front piece that I will be leaving out. It's funny because a lot of you really thought like this was actually my curly perm that grew out like this. Let me tell y'all, I so regret getting a curly perm, but we're gonna explain all of this in another video. I don't have time to explain everything right now. Look at the front of my hair. It's literally broken off. I don't listen, it's my fault, so I don't really have anyone to blame. You guys did warn me. Most times after pulling out this piece right here, I usually do like a braid going around here, but I don't have time for that right now. I do have to get to the airport, so I'm just gonna put my hair like in a bun. I think I'm gonna leave out less hair though. Like, I would like to leave out as little hair as possible that I can. So yeah, I think, yeah, that should be enough. I feel like I just forgot about my hair for a little bit. Like, I just stopped caring for it. So that's kind of like really what it was. And then yeah, my hair basically broke off. I was saying this like it's not funny, but like it is funny because I kind of like was expecting this, and I just still went ahead and anyway. And then with this piece right here, honestly y'all, I just take it and like do like a little stupid braid or whatever, and you're just gonna kind of like put it up to the rest of the hair. Itself does come with some combs right here, so this is what I'm gonna take, and I'm just gonna stick in right up here. I'm just gonna stick that in right there and pull down the back. Then as for the front of my hair, push it all the way back, take some mousse. So I'm just gonna go with some mousse. Yeah, I prefer the mousse though. I feel like it really works a lot better. I'm just gonna take a bit of gel. I don't know where my... I had like a little edge brush. Honestly, I can't find anything right now, and I don't have time for that. So I'm just gonna take my comb, some little baby hairs. Okay, why is these? You can do whatever you want anyways. It's such a rush, but I honestly promised you guys this video, and I'm like, I'm not gonna go on another vacation without showing you guys this hair, because you can't tell me that's not my hair. Like, look at this. You cannot tell me that this is not my hair. And honestly, y'all, that is pretty much it. I feel like once the hair gets a little bit more stale, it does look a lot more natural. Right now it's like really tight, but as the days go by, so that last one that I actually had that for an entire month. I was even sleeping on the hair, and the hair actually like stays in place. It's a really great wig. Like, I honestly love this. And yeah, y'all, and you can flip this around on whatever side of your face that you want it to be flipped around. You're not seeing anything. I don't know which side anymore that I even like to wear my hair on, but yeah, this is the hair. The wind will blow and it's still undetectable. That's what I love about it, the fact that it just looks so natural and you just can't tell whether or not it's my hair or not. That's why so many of you guys were like, girl, is that your curly perm? I wish it was, but y'all, that curly perm got to go. But yeah, definitely head over to your nearest beauty supply store, or again, you can purchase this online, whatever you prefer to do. It's super cheap. I believe Sam Beauty or something like that does carry this exact same unit. But yeah, this is definitely perfect for the summertime, especially if you just want something really quick and easy to try on and no work. Moves. That's all I put in my hair. Moves. And yeah, I'm done. So yeah, I'm heading to Mykonos. This is my vacation here because I honestly can't do the whole frontal thing on vacation. I'm over and done with that era. Yeah, time to go. So enjoy this video. Definitely give me a big thumbs up if you did. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Well, I already know what you guys think because you guys have been waiting on this video, but still comment down below. Let's connect in my comment section. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye. Also, oh, I have a new intro. Did you guys see that? Let me know what you guys think about the intro. Okay, bye.